Our 25,600 BTU liquid propane rice cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. From the left to right handle, we have 23 3/4 inches. And the measurement for the rice pot itself, we have 19 inches, with the interior dimensions measuring 17.5 inches in radius by 6 3/4 inches in height. For the rice pot, indicated will be the levels in liters and the cup capacity. 10 liters along with 55 cups being how much this rice pot can handle. By removing the rice pot is held by the outer bowl along with the bottom plate that can be removed. And in the bottom plate is the burner for the rice cooker. Including will be the measuring cup, rice scooper, along with the natural gas regulator that will hook up on the side here, valve, along with the igniter, and the cooking function. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification specifications along with the BTU information for this rice cooker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.